Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another pizza recipe. This time I'm using my flatbread and I'm so excited to share this recipe. And if you are ready, let's get started. So to get started with this quick recipe, we are going to use this kind of flatbread, some pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, more mozzarella cheese, this is a shredded kind, and some tomatoes, and my deli meat diced, and this is turkey, pizza seasoning, some diced orange peppers, diced onions, and some garlic. And this is just an extra cheese. You don't have to put it on there. I just like the way it tastes like. So this is very optional. You don't have to use that cheese. Just the regular cheese that you have is enough. So to get started, we are going to go ahead and rub in our olive oil. Next, we are going to go ahead and add our pizza sauce. And then we are going to go ahead and add in our diced deli meat. And then some orange peppers, some onions, diced garlic, and then some mozzarella shredded cheese. And also I'm going to go ahead and add in the string cheese. So guys, for everything that I'm using in this video, I am going to leave it in the description below, so do not worry. So I'm adding some extra pizza sauce on here, as you guys can see. And then I added in my optional cheese. This is a 3 blended cheese. I'm going to leave it in the description below. And then some pizza seasoning. And then some extra olive oil on top. So now that we are done adding all our ingredients, we are going to bake this pizza at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. And that's how it looks like, guys. So I just want to say thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing. We have reached the end if you like these kind of pizzas. So what I do most of the times if I go grocery shopping, I always make sure I buy flatbread, naan bread for quick, easy meals in the house. And I always buy some pizza sauce with some mozzarella cheese. So you don't necessarily have to have all these other ingredients. These are just some things that I had in my fridge and I wanted to use them and finish everything that I had. So guys, this is how the pizza looks like. I just want to say thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing, for commenting. So over here, as you guys can see, I have some tomatoes because some people in my house don't like fresh tomatoes and I love fresh tomatoes on my pizza. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time when I make something new. Bye.